Alright, what is up today, guys? Today we'll be doing big Chompy Bird hunting quest mission thingy majigger in Old School RS. It's a game run by Jagex. Just to say, I don't own any of the rights to this game, yada yada yada, don't copyright me. But yeah, that's all I got so far. I turned the sound on this time so you have like other things to listen to aside from my annoying ass voice. Isn't this the tree I gotta chop down? Let's see, I think I gotta chop down some of these trees before I even begin the quest, so I'll just go ahead and get like a couple of those. A couple of things you'll need for this quest is about 5 fletching, 30 cooking, and 30 range, yeah. And that's kind of my stats, so you already know what I'm doing. Yes, I am pro new with my rune skirt. Fight me about it, dog. To begin this quest, you're going to want to teleport to Castle Wars Arena. I recommend getting a dueling ring, unless you just want to walk all the way over there, which is totally fine, you know, fuck logic. Other things you'll need for this quest is axe of any kind. I have an Addy axe because it's about the best I can. Actually, no, I'm too lazy to go buy a rune axe now that I think about it. You'll need 4 to 5 wolf bones. I have 6 with me just in case I bury one by accident or I fuck up because I am me. You'll need about 150 feathers, but you know, overstocking never hurt anybody before. A chisel, a knife, fuck you org. You'll need like 3 of these 6 spices down here, or ingredients, depending on what you're required to get as a player. It varies between each player, so it's kind of like personalized towards your experience. Now you can find these throughout, you know, there's tomato right here, onions over here, cabbage right here, all these things. So you can find them during the quest. So it's not necessarily you need them. And here's some wolves over here in case you need to get some wolf bones. If you're lower level, as you can see I'm getting like smashed by these things over here, you might want to bring some food, which I always do. I also have a glory in case you want to teleport anywhere immediately after your quest. So Rantz is, to start this quest you have to talk to Rantz, which is right here. And let's go talk to this fat fucker majigger. And if you're low, you'll get a couple of experience in range and fletching, I think cooking as well. And you'll need to do this quest in order to do finish Recipe for Disaster. So in case you're lower level at the time you're doing this or higher level, it's good to go ahead and do this quest early so you can just you know, get your Barrow's gloves or rune gloves or myth gloves depending on what your character build is. I'm kind of just skipping through this, I'm sorry guys, but if you want to read it you can pause and read, yada yada yada. There's also a mini game I believe that you unlock with this, and you get like some little furry feathered thing, majigger bobs that you can wear on your head and look like I'm tired, I'm sorry. So obviously you're gonna want to chop these archery logs now, so you can go ahead and do that and make your orc arrow shafts. I probably should have made more. God, fuck all logic. Shit. Oh, fuck. I'm just gonna go ahead and make a bunch of these, so I have plenty of arrows. My hook could just burnt the fuck out of that coal. God damn, fuck. So as you're making your arrows, you can think about lovely things like all that fleshing XP you're getting. Woo! Look at that. Yeah. And then take your chisel to your wolf bones and you'll make your wolf bone arrow tips. I probably should have done the math on how many things I cut so I had the right amount of arrows. God damn it. Way to go, Corey. And now we'll go ahead and make our arrows. And we'll do this. And you'll make your orc arrows. Because, you know, normal arrows are overrated. So now that you have your arrows, you'll need to... oh, wait, no. Well, I'm skipping ahead of myself. He's going to want some 6 arrows, so make sure you have some arrows to give to him. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on all these options so you can see if you want to pause and read, or maybe you're just like a super fast reader and you can read this for me. Did I already ask this question? Yeah, oh, fuck, I already asked the question. God damn it. Thanks, mate. And this will be the split fire you'll need to cook the chompy when you get that far. Hopefully you don't burn it. I didn't even think about that. I might need to bring extra ingredients, but that's why you have your teleportation ring. Let's see. Bro, are you okay there? Why are you complaining? Alright, so now that you have this bellows... What? I went down the street. Oh, hell no, motherfuckers. Anyway. So now the big fun part of going to go get the fucking toads is here. Where's the fucking swamp again? God damn it. No, fuck off, you fucking jaw. Bob Saget. Alright, so. So you want to use your bellows with the swamp bubbles. And you'll get about 3 charges with this. And then you use it on the swamp toady. Come here. And go ahead and get 3. Since you have 3 charges, and you might have to come back and do this again depending on luck and general bullshit. Come here, fucker. Alright. So now we gotta take all those toadies and go to the clearing so the dude can shoot at the big chompy bird fucker. Pretty sure I overshot this, god damn it. What the fuck am I? Note to self, you probably don't want to get lost trying to do the quest. Oh wait, I forgot. How do I do this shit again? So this is a little clearing he was saying earlier, so you want to drop your bloated toad. What? Oh, you fucking bastard. Too far, I guess? I went too far? I don't know. Fuck. Man. You fucking bastard. So obviously you gotta go to the arrow and drop it here. Now we gotta run back to Rantz. Come here. Come here, fucker. Come here. Come on, talk to me. Talk to me, dog. So now we wait, I guess. And we're waiting, and we're waiting. Man, what the fuck? Hey, fuckhead. And we're still waiting. And we're still waiting. What? Oh, fuck. Oh, god damn it. Well, that plan didn't fucking work. God damn it. Epic fucking fail. Let's try this one more time. The little fucking toes are there, you fucker. Oh, you bastard. You fucking bastard. Okay, so. Back to the drawing board. This is why you can't have nice things in this game. Do you believe in magic? Shoot doop a doop 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 a doop pop 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 pop. I wonder if I could use this on the wolf. That'd be funny as fuck. Ah! Retreat! Retreat! Okay. Okay. Drop one here. Drop one here. Put one like over here. We'll talk to this fat fuck over here. And we're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. Did I do something wrong? What? No, you fucker. Come on. Come on. Yay! Fuck you. Yeah! Get some! Yeah! Get some. Team twerk. Team twerk. Oh yeah. Gonna pluck the shit out of your ass. Ooh, get that raw Chompy. Oh, get the Chompy Birds too. Oh, I buried the blood of my enemies. Yeah, potato. So he wants a potato. Man, fuck you, games. Jaggeds be fucking with you on this one, man. Doogle leaves, potato, got that, got that. Doogle leaves can be found in bark if you've done Gertrude's cat and cabbage. Potato, cabbage, doogle leaves. Use the potato. I guess it automatically does it when you cook it. Hopefully I don't burn this fucking thing. I'd be really pissed off if I burned this thing. Yeah. Alright. Did it. Fuck yeah. Come here, you fucker. Boom, there you go. That's it. 2 quest points, orc bow, orc arrows. This is now a prerequisite for Zorge flesh eaters, recipe for disaster, and one other quest I think. I don't know, I don't care. Yeah. Boom. Oh yeah. Leveled up. Alright, there you are guys. Hope you enjoyed. Sorry it took so long, and thank you for watching. Peace.